In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Responsibility by MxPx off of their album, The Ever-Passing Moment. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if MxPx was your favorite alt rock one-hit wonder, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at the intro. So you hear these two hits at the beginning. It'll be beats 3 and 4 of the previous measure. Okay, so that's 7th fret, 5th string power chord, and then 7th fret, 6th string power chord. And then on the downbeat of 1, we'll come in with this riff. Okay, so that'll repeat several times. What we're doing there, just straight 8th notes with the right hand. We're starting 7th fret, 5th string, 2 hits, then 6th of the 4th, back to 7th of the 5th, then 9th of the 4th, 7th of the 5th, back to 6th of the 4th, and then 7th of the 5th. So it sounds like this so far. Okay, so we're just kind of alternating 6 and 9 on the 4th string. Okay, at that point, we'll hit the open A string twice, then 7th fret of the 4th string once, open A again. Then we have 7th fret, 5th string power chord, and then just slide the index finger down to the 6th fret of the 5th string, keeping the pinky on the 9th fret. And then it repeats. So all together, slow, it sounds like this. I'll play that 4 times. And then we're into verse 1. There is a rhythm guitar that's playing in the intro as well, and the rhythm guitar is just playing power chords, and it'll sound like this. So that rhythm guitar is playing along with the bass, and it's just playing power chords. So we're on 7th fret, 5th string power chords, straight 8th notes with the right hand, then 5th fret, 6th string, and then 7th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 6th string, and repeat. Verse 1 is going to sound like this. Okay, so that's all that is there, is just alternating between open 6th string power chord and open 5th string power chord. So that's E and A. Okay, and the rhythm is just 2 hits and then rest. Now at this point we enter the pre-chorus, And the pre-chorus is still power chords. It sounds like this. Okay, so again, all power chords. We start 2nd fret, 5th string. Then down to A, that's open 5th string. And then to E, open 6th string. So everything's 8th notes except the first hit. The first hit's a quarter note. So we do a quick transition there to the A twice. So slowly. So it ends with just those 2 long hits, 2nd fret, 5th string, and then open 5th string. And then we enter the chorus. Now in the chorus, we'll still be playing power chords, but we'll be playing staccato quarter notes. So what that means is we'll be playing short quarter note beats here, so it'll sound like this. So again, that's just short quarter notes. So you'll just strum. I do all downstrokes here, so you just strum and immediately mute the strings with your left hand fingers, and you can mute with the palm on your right hand as well. So we're just doing open 6th string, 4 hits, and then open 5th string, 2 hits, and then 2nd fret, 5th string, 2 hits. So you play that 3 times, and then you come up here to the 4th fret, 5th string. Now, almost every chord in this song is power chords with the exception of 4th fret, 5th string. Okay? Every time you see 4th fret, 5th string, for whatever reason, the band decides to play the minor chord here. So instead of just playing this power chord, we're going to include that minor note. Okay? So that is 5th fret, 2nd string. So just a power chord shape, add 5th fret, 2nd string with your middle finger. Okay, so we'll just strum that like a staccato quarter note as well. And then we'll play, open 5th string, and then 2 hits, 2nd fret, 5th string. And then what we'll do is we'll basically just play 8th notes, and we'll just crescendo them for 6 beats. And then we come up here, and then we re-enter the intro part. Now, in this re-intro section, after the first chorus, we're not going to have this guitar. Okay, that guitar is not going to be there now. We're just going to play this. So we have those 2 intro hits like we had at the beginning of the song. Now we're just going to play. Okay, so that's all that is there, is we're just alternating 7th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 6th string, and then hitting 7th fret, 5th string twice. Sliding down, pausing, and then repeating. We do that 3 times, and on the 3rd time, we come down and play that open 6th string power chord, so that E power chord. And then we're into verse 2. Verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1. Pre-chorus is exactly the same as the first one. And the second chorus is exactly the same. Now, exiting the second chorus, instead of sliding up here and playing like we did at the end of the first chorus, what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 chickas. So you just let your fingers rest on the strings, swipe the strings 4 times, and now we enter the bridge. The bridge will sound like this. So we have these 4 chickas, and then we're into and it'll repeat. So again, it's just all power chords. All 8th notes with the right hand. We have 7th fret, 5th string, 2 bars, down to 4th fret, down to 2nd fret, and then open, 5th string. And we have the 2 hits and repeat. Those 2 hits again, 7th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 6th string, and repeat. Okay, so coming out of the bridge, 7th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 6th string, 5th fret, 6th string. There is a second guitar part in the second half of the bridge. So what that guitar is going to be doing is following the vocal line exactly. So it just plays along with the vocal, it matches the pitch. So we're starting 6th fret, 5th string octave, 6th fret, 5th string, that includes 8th fret, 3rd string. So we go, slides up to 7, 9, 7, 6, back up to 7. So So again, it's just following exactly the vocal line. So seven, 7, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 6, 4, 4. And then it joins up with the main guitar part. So it'll join up here. And then we're back into that intro section. So we'll play that intro section just twice this time. Okay, the other guitar part is playing those chords again. Just like we did in the intro, it's just half as long now. So we only play it twice through instead of 4 times. And then we kick right into the last chorus, and we'll play it the same way as the others. Okay, remember that minor chord here. So remember that note. So we'll end it the same way. We'll end that chorus the same way. With those 2 hits here on the 2nd fret, 5th string. But then instead of going into this crescendo part, right after those hits, we'll just go right back into the chorus. And the second time through this last chorus, we'll just play all 8th notes. So instead of those staccato quarter notes, we're just going to go all 8th notes. And then the song's going to end with this pattern. So that pattern, right hand is down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that's the right hand pattern. The chords are so again, all power chords with the exception of this 4th fret, which includes that minor note. Down to open 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 5th string with that minor note, then open 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, open 6th string. So all together slowly. And up to speed. Was Responsibility the most underrated pop-punk song of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.